Holding the control key will toggle your masking brush. Masking has many uses in ZBrush, but mostly used for protecting areas from future edits to your mesh. Hold the control key while clicking on the brush window here to quickly access your other masking brushes. Mask Circle brush allows for quick circular or oval shaped masks on your mesh. Hold both Control and Alt keys to unmask your mesh. Mask Curve brush masks your mesh via curve method. Press Alt to change direction of your curve. Double-click Alt to pivot into a straight curve. At any time, hold Control key and click on your mesh to blur your mask. Hold Control and Alt keys while clicking on your mesh to sharpen your mask. Mask Curve Pen allows you to draw out editable curves. When done, hold the Control key while click and dragging on the curve to apply masking. Mask Lasso is one of the fastest masking methods available. After positioning yourself, hold Control to draw out a shape to project a mask through your mesh. Mask Pen is your default brush for drawing masks on your mesh. Experiment with focal shift to switch between soft and hard edges. With the Mask Pen selected, you can mask off rectangular sections by holding Control, click, and dragging in open sections of your viewport. Press and hold spacebar to reposition your mask before releasing. Hold the Alt key before releasing to unmask areas. Mask Perfect Circle will mask and unmask perfect circle shapes on your model. Mask Square will draw out perfect square shape masks by click and dragging to scale. Mask Rect will only draw out rectangular masks on your mesh no matter the placement of your cursor. Open the Macro menu and expand the Macro tab. Press the Apply Round Corners to Mask button. Multiple presses will continue to round and remove any corners on your mask.